Good day, students. How are you? Are you ready for today's new lesson? Very good. Before we start, make sure you have prepared your pen and paper before we proceed. Okay, we are all ready. First, let us have a game. This game is called Giant Step Big Winner. In this game, I will be showing some flashcards and you will answer it each in 5 seconds. Did you understand? Very good. Now, let's start. Good job, everyone. That was a starter. Now, I'll be posting some more reviews for you to find the answers. Are you ready? Okay, first is 534 minus 127. If your answer is 407, very good. That was the correct answer. Next is 743 plus 938. Okay, if your answer is 1681, that was correct. Third is 83 plus 7. Okay, if your answer is 90, very good. Next is 34 plus 17. If your answer is 51, very good, you got it right. And lastly is 95 divided by 8. If your answer is 11.875, very good. Very good, children. Job well done. Now I have a question. Have you ever experienced being absent from the school for a week because you were sick? And upon returning, you have to take a quiz or a summative test? How did you feel? Now, I will be presenting some situation the same like the situation I asked to you earlier. Tessie was absent for a week because she was sick. When she went back to school, she had to take a test. These are the tests that she will be taking up. Do you think Tessie can answer the test correctly? Why? What do you think will she do? If you were her classmate, what would you do to help her? Okay. To find out the answer, let us help Tessie to solve her problem. Okay. Number 1, we have 2 times 6 divided by 4. 2 times 6 is equals to 12 divided by 4 is equals to 3. Very good. Number 2, 9 minus 7 plus 3. 9 minus 7 is equals to 2 plus 3. The answer is 2 plus 3 is 5. Very good. Number 3, 18 minus 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 18 minus 6 is equals to 12. Very good. Number 4, 5 times 4 minus 16 divided by 8. 5 times 4 is equals to 20 minus 16 divided by 8. 16 divided by 8 is equals to 2, so 20 minus 2 is equals to 18. Okay. Number 5, 18 minus 12 divided by 6 plus 7. 12 divided by 6 is equals to 2 plus 7 minus 18. 18 minus 2 is equals to 16 plus 7. So 16 plus 7 is equals to 23. Very good. And last, 16 divided by 4 times 5 minus 7 plus 8. 16 divided by 4 is equals to 4 times 5 minus 7 plus 8. 4 times 5 is equals to 20 minus 7 plus 8. So 20 minus 7 is equals to 13 plus 8. So 13 plus 8 is equals to 21. Good job, everyone! How do you feel in solving each problem? Did you get the answer correct? Very good. What are the operations we use in each problem? Which operations comes first? Which operation will you do first? In order to know that, let's proceed to our activities. In a series of operations, certain rules must be followed to arrive at one specific answer. Here, the MDAS rule must be followed correctly to get the right answer. So what does the MDAS stand for? The MDAS stands for the 4 basic operations, which are the multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. The rules say that number 1, multiply or divide first in order as they come from left to right. Then, number 2, add or subtract in order as they come from left to right. Let me give you an example. So now, let us solve the expression together. 35 minus 6 times 3 is equals to n. From that expression, we can see that there are 2 operations, subtraction and multiplication. Starting from left going to the right, do rule 1 since there is a multiplication. Then do subtraction. Just like this. 35 minus 6 times 3. So we have to multiply first the 6 times 3. We get 18. So 35 minus 18 is equals to 17. Did you understand? So, thus, 35 minus 6 times 3 is equals to 17. Now, let's have another one. 18 minus 12 divided by 6 plus 7 is equals to n. In this expression, we have 3 operations: subtraction, division, and addition. Starting from left going to the right, do rule 1 since there is division. Now the second operation left belong to rule 2. Here we perform the operation as they come from left to right, first come, first serve. Which of the 2 operations, subtraction and addition, comes first? Do subtraction first, then addition last. So it is just like this. 18 minus 12 divided by 6 plus 7. So first we have to divide 12 divided by 6. So we have 12 minus 2 plus 7. Second is, let's subtract 18 minus 2 plus 7. So 18 minus 2 is equals 16. So 16 plus 7 is equals to 23. Very good. Thus, 18 minus 12 divided by 6 plus 7 is equals to 23. Okay, very good. Now for you, try solving this. 12 minus 3 plus 18 divided by 6 times 7 is equals to n. I will give you only 30 seconds to answer it. Your timer starts now. Time's up, everyone. If your answer is 30, very good. You have the correct answers. Now, for you to reinforcing the concept and skills, let's evaluate the following expressions. You have to answer this. Thank you everyone for answering that. Now to summarize the lesson, let's generalize the following ideas. To perform a series of operations, the MDAS rule must be followed. What are the MDAS rules stands for? Very good. MDAS stands for 4 basic operations, which are multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. The rules say that, number 1, multiply or divide first in order as they come from left to right. Then, number 2, add or subtract in order as they come from left to right. So now, in order for me to know how much you have learned, let us have the following assessment. These are the things that you have to answer. Evaluate the following expressions. Good luck! Very good, everyone. Job well done. Now, don't forget your assignment that I will be posting here. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and God bless.